Hi everyone and welcome back to English Without Fear. I'm Lily and today I'm giving you 100 of the most useful travel words to help you speak English confidently and naturally. These words will help you in the IELTS speaking test when traveling or just chatting with friends. Let's get started.
Airport. Place where planes arrive. Leave example. The airport was very busy today. 2. Airline. The company you fly with example. My favorite airline is Qatar Airways. 3. Boarding pass. A paper or digital ticket for flying example. I showed my boarding pass at the gate. 4. Check-in. Register for your flight or hotel. Example. We checked in online. 5. Passport. ID for international travel. Example. Don't forget your passport. 6. Visa. Permission to enter a country example. I need a visa to visit Japan. 7. Carry-on luggage. Small bag you take on a plane. Example. My carry-on fits in the overhead bin. 8. Overhead bin. Storage above your airplane seat. I place my bag in the overhead bin. 9. Layover. Short stop between flights. I had a layover in Doha. 10. Customs. Border check when entering a country. We went through customs quickly. 11. Immigration. Checkpoint for passports and visas. The immigration officer asked about my trip. 12. Shuttle bus. A short distance travel bus. The airport shuttle bus was free. 13. Rental car. A car you rent for travel. We rented a car to explore the island. 14. Traffic jam. Too many cars on the road. We were stuck in a traffic jam for an hour. 15. Public transport. Buses, subways, trains. Public transport is cheap and fast. 16. Round-trip ticket. Travel to a place and back. I bought a round-trip ticket to New York. 17. One-way ticket. Travel to a place without returning. He booked a one-way ticket to Canada. 18. Travel insurance. Protection for your trip. I always buy travel insurance. 19. Itinerary. Your travel plan or schedule. Our itinerary includes 4 cities. 20. Board. Get on a plane, bus, or train. We boarded the plane at 10:30. 21. Land. When a plane returns to the ground, the flight landed on time. 22. Take off. When a plane leaves the ground, the plane took off smoothly. 23. Catch. Get a flight, train, or bus. I caught the last train. 24. Miss. A flight. Arrive too late. I missed my flight because of traffic. 25. Transit. Travel through another country place. I was in transit for 6 hours. Now, accommodation and booking. Words 2650. 26. Hotel. A place to stay with rooms and service. The hotel had a great view. 27. Hostel. A cheaper place with shared rooms. We stayed in a hostel in Berlin. 28. Guest house. A small family-run hotel. The guest house was quiet and clean. 29. Airbnb. A home or room booked online. We booked an Airbnb near the beach. 30. Reception. The front desk at a hotel. Ask reception if you need anything. 31. Checkout. Leave the hotel. Checkout is at 11 a.m. 32. Room service. Food brought to your room. We ordered dinner with room service. 33. Concierge. Hotel staff who help with advice. The concierge booked us a taxi. 34. Housekeeping. People who clean your room. Housekeeping came while we were out. 35. Mini bar. Small fridge in your room. The mini bar had drinks and snacks. 36. All-inclusive. Hotel includes all meals and drinks. We stayed at an all-inclusive resort. 37. Double room. 1 bed for 2 people. We booked a double room. 38. Twin room. 2 separate beds. A twin room is great for friends. 39. Dormitory. Shared room in a hostel. The dormitory had 8 beds. 40. Tent. Portable shelter for camping. We slept in a tent in the forest. 41. Campsite. A place to camp. The campsite had bathrooms and showers. 42. Bed and breakfast. Hotel that includes breakfast. I love cozy bed and breakfasts. 43. Reservation. A saved seat or room. Do you have a reservation? 44. Booking. Similar to reservation, we made a booking online. 45. Late checkout. Leave the hotel after usual time. We paid for late checkout. 46. Upgrade. Get a better room or service. We got a free room upgrade. 47. View. What you can see from a window. Our room had an ocean view. 48. Lodge. A small, often rural hotel. We stayed in a mountain lodge. 49. Resort. A full-service holiday hotel. The resort had a pool and spa. 50. Amenities, extra services, gym, Wi-Fi, etc. The hotel amenities were amazing. 3. Actions, experiences, and destinations. Words 5175. 51. Pack. Put things in your suitcase. I packed last night. 52. Unpack. Take things out of your bag. I unpacked my clothes at the hotel. 53. Go abroad. Travel to another country. She went abroad to study. 54. Travel light. Bring only a few things. I always travel light. 55. Lose luggage. Bags don't arrive. The airline lost my luggage. 56. Take photos. Capture memories. I took hundreds of photos. 57. Go sightseeing. Visit famous places. We went sightseeing in Paris. 58. Ask for directions. Ask how to get somewhere. I asked a local for directions. 59. Try new dishes. Eat unfamiliar food. I tried spicy noodles in Thailand. 60. Currency exchange. Change money. I exchanged dollars for euros. 61. Hiking trail. A path in nature. We followed a hiking trail in the mountains. 62. Island. Land surrounded by water. We stayed on a small island. 63. National park. Protected natural area. Yellowstone is a famous national park. 64. Coastal town. A town near the sea. We visited a quiet coastal town. 65. Mountains. Very high land. The mountains were covered in snow. 66. Countryside. Rural. Outside the city. I love the peace of the countryside. 67. Beach. Sandy area by the sea. We spent the day at the beach. 68. Cruise. Travel on a large ship. They went on a Caribbean cruise. 69. Road trip. Long trip by car. We took a road trip across Spain. 70. Adventure tourism. Active, exciting travel. He loves adventure tourism like climbing and rafting. 71. Backpacking. Traveling with a backpack. I went backpacking in Vietnam. 72. Staycation. Holiday at home. We had a staycation this year. 73. Safari. Travel to see wild animals. We saw elephants on safari. 74. Hidden gem. Unknown but amazing place. That cafe was a hidden gem. 75. Tourist attraction. Famous place to visit. The museum is a top tourist attraction. Now part 4, all about culture, food and people. Words 76 to 100. 76. Local cuisine. Traditional food. From an area, I love Italian local cuisine. 77. Street food. Food sold on the street. We ate street food in Bangkok. 78. Souvenir. A gift or memory from a trip. I bought souvenirs for my family. 79. Hospitality. Kindness to visitors. The locals showed great hospitality. 80. Culture shock. Surprise at new traditions. Moving abroad gave me culture shock. 81. Language barrier. Can't speak the local language. There was a language barrier in Japan. 82. Public holiday. National day off. Shops were closed for the public holiday. 83. Festival. Special event or celebration. We joined a music festival. 84. Tradition. Custom passed down in a culture. This dance is a local tradition. 85. Welcoming. Friendly to guests. People in this village were very welcoming. 86. Cultural tour. Learn about traditions and history. The cultural tour was fascinating. 87. Try local food. Eat traditional dishes. Always try the local food. 88. Learn phrases. Study a few useful words. I learned 5 Italian phrases before my trip. 89. Make memories. Create great experiences. Traveling helps you make memories. 90. Get lost. Lose your way. I got lost in the city, but it was fun. 91. Meet locals. Talk to people who live there. We met locals at the market. 92. Off the beaten path. Away from tourist areas. We explored places off the beaten path. 93. Travel buddy. Friend you travel with. My cousin is my best travel buddy. 94. Travel vlog. A video diary about travel. She posts a travel vlog every week. 95. Travel blog. Written travel stories online. I started a travel blog about my trip. 96. Tour guide. A person who shows you around. The tour guide told us about the history. 97. Group tour. Travel with other tourists. We joined a group tour in Italy. 98. Plan a trip. Make arrangements for travel. I'm planning a trip to Mexico. 99. Make a booking. Reserve a room or flight. I made a booking on my phone. 100. Bucket list. List of places, experiences.
Woohoo! You made it through 100 travel words. Which word was new for you? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to download your free PDF from the description and subscribe to English Without Fear for more helpful episodes. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and keep speaking English without fear. See you in the next video!